Hey guys, it's Arielle. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing another unboxing from Boutique.com. They've been sending me their BB box and mask Maven for like almost every month, and I've been enjoying them. These are subscription boxes that you guys can subscribe to in case you are new and trying to kind of venture into like Korean skincare, Taiwanese skincare, Japanese. The products vary, especially in the different subscription boxes. In the Boutique box specifically, you'll get products from body care, skincare, makeup related items that you can test out, and they give about 5 to 6 full-size products in this one. And then in the Mask Maven, it's just a different bunch of like face sheet masks or gel types, and there's just so many from different brands, so you're able to test out 9 to 10 products in here as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and unbox each of the boxes, and you guys can just take a look inside and see if this is something you're interested to subscribe to, which I highly do recommend. So here's what the new pamphlet looks like that each box will include, and this is for the Boutique box. And here just kind of goes over every single item, how to use it, and why they love it and why they recommend it. I kind of really like this newer version just because I feel like it's very detailed, especially for people who are just trying things out and have no idea how to use the products inside. So the first thing we have here is from Annie's Way, and this is going to be a jelly mask. This has hyaluronic acid, so it's brightening and super hydrating. This is what it looks like. It comes with about 250 ml of product, and it comes with a spatula. So what you want to do is cleanse your skin, prep it, and apply a nice layer of the gel onto your skin. Leave it on for about 5 minutes, and then you can just totally rinse off, and you are good to go with hydrated skin. The next thing we have here is from Esfolio, and this is going to be their Pure Snail Hand Cream. As you know, snail has anti-aging properties, and it's supposed to be very moisturizing. So let's just go ahead and see what the packaging looks like inside. It just comes in this really cute tube, and I feel like it's easy to bring into your bag and just keep it with you at all times. Next, we have this really cute microfiber head cap, and this can just be worn when your hair is wet, and it'll just kind of help dry your hair and just, you know, keep it out of your face so you can continue on with your face or skincare routine, and it's just super cute. Next, from Gigot, we have a new mascara, and this is called the Cat Eye Super Lash. I heard this mascara is really good for like having curly lashes and just extending the length because of the curvedness of the actual wand. So let's just go ahead and take a look at that. So you do see like it has this really nice curve to it, if it can focus. Come on, come on, come on, focus with me. There we go. It has just a really nice brush, so it should help to curl and get into the nooks and crannies of every lash. From Etude House, we have this really cool heating eye mask. This is really interesting to me, so I really want to do a separate video on this and just kind of give you my first impression of it. It's supposed to be for days you're like extra tired and need to depuff your eyes and just kind of have a good night's sleep. So you can actually wear this mask overnight, but the heating will only last for about 20 minutes. So I'm really excited to try this out, and I hope you're looking forward to a video on this. The last thing in here we have from APU is going to be the Juicy Pong blusher, and this is super cute. So when I open this, it's actually super cute. As you can see, it looks very familiar. It looks like a nail polish, and it's not. It's actually a liquid blusher. You can just apply a little bit onto your cheeks and have a very natural blushing type. So as you can see, you get about 6 full-size products of things you can try out. So if you're completely new to Asian beauty skincare, to hair care, to body care, and more, you're able to test out so many products with just a price of $25, I believe. I will link everything down below so you can have more idea of how much the subscription boxes are. I just think it's a really great way to try out products without committing to have to pay per product. Moving on to Mask Maven, the first masks that we have are called the metal masks, and I have 2 right here. The first mask is a whitening infusion mask, which is this one, and this one is really good to just whiten and brighten and smooth out the skin. And then the black one is going to be a Natural Pacific Premium Metal Aqua Glossy Aqua Mask. And this is super nourishing. It has hyaluronic acid essences, and it eliminates dry, flaky patches and hydrates and to give you a dewy skin. The next thing we have here is going to be this really cute panda mask, and this is from Dollkiss. This actually contains witch hazel, which is really good for breakouts and inflammation, while the rose and the coconut water in it also helps to moisturize thirsty skin. And it's just really good. It's infused with collagen, so it's also good for anti-aging. Two masks we have here is from Yada, and they're super cute. Look how cute they look. And these are both jelly masks. As you can see, jelly is really popular in 2018 for face masks because they just really help to penetrate into the skin. So the first one here is we have a brightening jelly mask. I said that really weird. A brightening jelly pack. As you can see, it's going to be like an orange and lemony. It's very citrus because it has vitamin C in it, and this will be good to just brighten your skin. And then we have a revitalizing jelly pack, and this one has ginseng in it and avocado and all of that good stuff. And this is just going to revitalize the skin, bring more moisture back in, and just kind of really help with collagen as well, so it's good for anti-aging. Next we have from Pure Derm, and this is going to be the Moisture and Nourish Fingernail Mask, and this is going to help with your cuticles and your nail beds, give it more nourishment and kind of just clean them out. And it's kind of like similar to like a paraffin wax, but this is pretty cool. Next from Mizon, we have this Enjoy Vital Uptime Anti-Wrinkle Mask. This is going to return your face young, containing snail secretion filtrate, so it's really good for your skin for people who have very aging type of skin, very good for anti-aging, and it has snail in it, so it's also very moisturizing. From Etude House, we have the Damask Rose. I'm sure I said that kind of weird. But anyways, this is obviously for hydration. As you know, rose has properties to hydrate your skin. And lastly, we have this Urban Dollkiss Elephant Nose Pack. It's a 3-step mask. As you know, some of these are really good for people who have really like huge pores in the nose area. Your step 1 is to kind of like remove the dirt and sebum, and then you'll have a serum to help like kind of like penetrate the serum into your skin and your pores. And then your last step will just be like extra essences to just make sure to close the pores that we've extracted from. So these are really fun and cool. So this is the mask Maven box. As you can see, we got 9 full-size face masks to try out. So if you're interested and want to do more of like the face mask and just don't know what to buy, this is a great subscription box for you because you're able to try out different kinds for different purposes and at a very good cost. And I will again link everything down below. If this is your first time to try Boutique's Mask Maven box, use the code TRYMaskMaven to save 15% on your first box. And there you have it for the BB box and Mask Maven unboxing. I hope you guys really enjoyed these videos. I enjoy filming them and sharing with you guys the products that I think are really cool inside. And if you guys are interested, I will link all of the information down below, so make sure you see my description box so you can see everything. I've also listed out the different coupon codes on your first boxes. You will get $10 off, I believe, so I will link all of that down below. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys on my next video.